Okay, it is Monday night. It is Growth Room, and I've got something I want to share with you guys quickly because there's still a bit of confusion, and there will always be confusion. But this, I just kind of had to have to get this off my chest. So, why am I saying that in my capacity? I'm the founder of Ananta X. I've been in network marketing. I love network marketing. I love the concept, but the system is broken. And I say that with a lot of respect. I'm excited for people that is in network marketing. I'm excited for people that is actually growing in network marketing, but there's a couple of challenges that I've personally seen, experienced, gone through, grow through, and I said, I'm done. So I'm going to say a couple of things, and there's some words that is going to be tough, some phrases that's going to be tough to hear, but I believe it is time that we hear this. I honestly do, because we can't hide. So I'm calling this similar but not the same. So no, anyway, so let me get so two questions as a trailblazer and a business builder that you have to ask yourself. So in these slides, I'm going to refer sometimes to trailblazers, sometimes to leaders, sometimes to trainers, and sometimes to business builders. But it's all the same thing. It's somebody that says, I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired of being sick and tired. I want a better life. So as a business builder, you need to ask yourself two questions. When you look at any business in the networking arena. So just quickly, Ananta X is a registered club with a rewards program. Okay, so as a club, you pay, you get benefits and services, like a gym membership or whatever the case might be, and you can get rewards. That's the law. So what we've done as Ananta X, we built in a 5-level uni-level program. So when people see that, they say it must be similar to. So I've got a couple of tough statements and some tough questions that I want to run through. So as a business builder, you need to ask yourself two questions. How much does now I'm using the word compensation plan, but we know it's a reward structure. How much does it pay, and will the people stay? That's the two questions. Because after decades of studying the industry, one fact has become very clear. And that's why I stepped away from kind of traditional network marketing. The biggest problem in network marketing is not recruiting, it is retention. People jump, they move, and that's fine. People leave because they stop seeing the value, they stop using the product, it becomes too expensive, they can't carry stock anymore, they stop believing, they stop earning. Eventually, they find out it's a scam or it's not regulated or whatever, and then they become disconnected. That's why I believe Ananta X has some genuinely distinctive strengths. And I'm going to run through 12 of them quickly. Here's a question. Why do now I'm going to, yeah, I'm always open for discussions, but here's a question. Why do a lot of the top networkers in the country, in the world, why do they become trainers? Why do a lot of them stop building and become trainers? Now, I'm not going to answer that question. It's just a question. Ananta X starts with members' value, not just the business value. Most companies expect members to stay because of the product or the income opportunity. Ananta X starts different. Members receive ongoing lifestyle value through savings, services, education, protection, travel, gold accumulation, and other benefits, regardless of whether they become top earners or not. Why this matters? Because when people experience value every month, they have another reason to remain members. The business is built around an ecosystem. Most organizations revolve around a single category. It could be health products, cosmetics, nutrition. Yes, they combine some of them, but it's still products, financial products. kind of sales. And Anantix combines multiple categories, and that makes conversations better. Like one of the conversations that I had today, because they didn't realize that it gives you this and that and that and that and that and that and that. And they said, is it all in the same price? I said, yes. They said, we didn't know that. Anyway, tension has more than one anchor. This is so important. One of the industry's biggest weaknesses is that members often leave if one motivation disappears. With Anantix, the members stay because we've got benefits, we've got savings, education, leadership, community, rewards, business potential, auto gold accumulation, coupons, we got health, we got funeral, we got all this stuff being added on. So the more reasons somebody has to stay, the stronger long-term retention can become. It is part-time friendly. Again, it is similar, but it's not the same. Many people cannot immediately replace salary. We all know this. So Anantix allows members, obviously, similar. They can be employed, be in another networking business or in a network marketing business. And please stay there. Don't jump. Stay there. Just add this. Freelancing, consulting, direct sales, low barriers to entry generally makes it easier for people to start. So why do I say low barriers? What do I mean? If somebody starts a traditional kind of networking business, network marketing business, they have to go out there and create sales, either by self-consumption or sales. That's it. They have to do that. We all know this. That's the rules of the game. Now it's not the same. In Anantix, when you begin, you create immediately. Personal development is built into the model. Many companies offer occasional training. We've got Growth Room Academy, 5 steps, 10 skills, objection handling playbook. We've got the Success Arsenal. We've got the Blitz videos. We've got there's so much, and it is there. Here's the challenge. People don't listen to the stuff. They don't attend. Now that develops people not only. Now, I use the word distributors. I did say some words are similar, but not the same. It creates daily members touch points. This is very cool. Successful organizations create habits. Growth rooms, academy, WhatsApp presentations, and doing another X. These repeated touch points of Anantix helps members to stay connected and reduce isolation. If somebody says they don't know what's going on, with all due respect, then it's their fault. We've got so much. You can literally go to the YouTube channel and watch the updated recording 20 times a day. Auto gold accumulation encourages long-term thinking. One distinguishing feature, different than anybody else, never been done before, of Anantix is the focus on accumulating value over time rather than thinking about monthly cash flow all the time. That encourages members to think beyond immediate shopping. Half of the membership, listen carefully, half of the membership supports the rewards ecosystem. Our current model allocates 50% of the membership that goes towards the rewards ecosystem. 50%. I always used to do this when I was in networking companies. I said, okay, this product costs 100 rand. So, and then I work it out. And I said, okay, now of this, I'm only going to get like 5 rand. So that's like 5%. That's a lot of work for 5%. That's how I looked at it. I love numbers. And then I would say, okay, if my team does 50,000 rand in volume, I'm going to get that. And that's like 15%. And I'm like, do I really want to do all this work, carry on month after month, day after day for 15%? Now we are talking 15%. That is a strategic designed by choice to direct a substantial portion of the membership value back into the community growth, because that's where it's going, and the members' reward. Now, from a trainer or a trailblazer's perspective, because we become trainers, that's a very, very powerful story, because it reinforces the idea that the community participates in the value that's being created. Business is simple to explain. Yes, there's a lot going on. And it might look complicated to everybody, but it's not. Ananta X is save, protect, and grow. That's it. That's the 3 pillars. And that simplicity is a real advantage when teaching members. It develops leaders, not just recruiters. Why do I say that? Now it's similar, but it's not the same. In normal networking, with all due respect, that's where the bucks is. That's where the money is. You got to go out there and recruit. You have to. That's the rules of the game. What's the rules with Ananta? If you want to, yes, obviously you're going to have to do it, but each member is going to auto gold collect. What's that going to be worth 2 years, 5 years, 10 years down the line? Most organizations teach recruiting. Our system deliberately teaches communication, consistency, leadership, mindset, personal responsibility, and duplication. There's a difference between recruiting and duplication. Maybe I'll do a session on that. Organizations become stronger when leadership development is intentional rather than accidental. Now, Fricky, you talk about this duplication and leadership development. It's built into the system. If you look at the 5-step system, the complete 5-step system, that is a complete leadership duplication tool. That's what it is. Can complement existing careers and businesses. One aspect of Ananta X usually unusually flexible is that it does not necessarily require somebody to abandon. Now, remember, similar, not the same. A member can keep the job, continue running a business. Now, this is very similar. That flexibility widens the potential for the audience. Number 12, it's designed for long-term community. Not long-term making money, not long-term recruitment, long-term community. The strongest businesses are communities. Communities have shared purpose, ongoing learning, recognition, relationship, and culture. Those elements often keep people engaged far longer than the compensation plan alone. Now, yes, a lot of businesses, network marketing businesses, are built on the bucks. Push for the money, push for the next rank, do the sales. I've been there, I've done it. We've done some incredible things, but it was not sustainable for me. Maybe other people get it right, I couldn't. 1 month it's 100,000, then it's 80,000, then it's 20,000, then it's 400,000, and I said, no, I don't want to do that. The question every leader should ask: a great compensation plan can recruit people, a great product can attract people, but neither of them guarantees that people will remain active. Here's a question that you should ask: why would somebody still be excited to be part of this ecosystem 3 years from now? Think about that question. Think about where you've been, what you've done, projects you were involved with. Now, in my past career in network marketing, 3 years down the line, I was not excited because I was working myself to death. 3 years down the line in Ananta X, I'm still excited. I've got my funeral, I've got my health, I'm still saving on my short term, I've got the legacy learning. I'm still excited. I really am. The vision for Ananta X is that members continue to find value. Through what? Through sales? No. Through recruiting? No. Through benefits, learning, relationship, leadership development, and an opportunity to build, not only through the possibility of earning rewards. Final thought. I'm using the trainer's perspective because that's what we become. Ananta X, the goal is not to become salespeople. The goal is to become trainers. Trainers of what? Trainers of a system. From a network marketing trainer's perspective, if I was a network marketer as a trainer, which I was, I would not describe Ananta X as better than any other company because different organizations serve different markets and different goals. Listen carefully. This is what I would say. Now, I was a trainer in other companies, previous companies, network marketing companies. Here's my answer. Ananta X has been designed to address several common challenges that many relationship-based businesses face. Maintaining member value, improving retention, developing leaders, and creating multiple reasons for people to stay engaged. And if those elements are consistently delivered through what we do, they can become very meaningful competitive strengths over a long time. So let me quickly go back to the front slide. So this is Ananta X, similar but not the same. So others often mostly one, maybe two of the stuff that's going out there. Now I'm talking about jobs, direct selling, network marketing, crypto, and schemes, investment, side hustles. It's a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of consistent recruiting and sales and sales and sales. My job in Ananta X, how do I build retention? I link people into the benefits. I help them save. I help them be protected. I help them grow. Obviously, the gold accumulation. I tell them about the rewards. I lock them into the academy, help them with the travel, the leadership, the benefits. And through those benefits, we create a community. Why? Because people don't sell together, but people go to the shops together. People go on holiday together. People learn together. People love being protected together. And that's what makes Ananta X similar, but not the same.